beautiful beach of Negril again once more. Royal Tours and Photography. For small business, we do commercials. We try to capture people's memory, you know, the memories, the special moments, you know, the bridesmaids getting dressed, you know, fun stuff. Even commercials for boats, you know, with the drone. We specialize in a whole lot of stuff. So if you name it, we can capture it. If it's underwater, we also do underwater photography. You know, if you want something different for your wedding, you're getting married, something that's outside the box, that's like the stuff we like to approach and deal with. You know, we like different things too. You know, we stick to traditional stuff as well. But if there's something outside the norm that you want to make special for your wedding day or your special day or maybe your event, if it's a music video, Royal Tours and Photography, we're happy to embrace and handle it. Also, I want to make you guys, everybody who's watching this video, know to look out for our channel. It's going to be launched next month, which is the 12th of May 2018, and that's going to be on YouTube. It's called Jamaican Lifestyle TV, and you can look out for that. That's going to have a lot of different varieties of stuff based on the island of Jamaica, which is the culture, the music, you know, the musicians, you know, the life, just basically the lifestyle, the food, you name it. It's going to be very interesting. We also have an episode on that channel. The name of the episode is Two Hearts, One Love, and it's more about geared to romance and honeymooners and newlyweds and stuff like that. So basically, it's going to be a very interesting story and how to celebrate your love. That's basically for Two Hearts, One Love. So check it out, YouTube. To contact us, you can find us at www.royaltoursandphotography, and our email is reefkings@yahoo.com. You can find us on Instagram, same name, Royal Tours and Photography, as well as on Facebook, Jamaican Lifestyle TV. We got it. All right. So.